Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows 11, 10 keeps locking randomly. Type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand battery, click and expand critical battery action, change plugged in to do nothing. Click and expand low battery action, change on battery to do nothing allows plugged in to do nothing. Click apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.